Do you know the difference between your and your? Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. These two words sound the same, but they have completely different meanings. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Let's start with your. Your, spelled Y-O-U-R, shows ownership. That means something belongs to someone. For example, is this your book? The book belongs to you. Here's another example. Please bring your lunch. The lunch belongs to you, so your is the correct word. Now let's look at your. Your, spelled Y-O-U'-R-E, means you are. A simple way to remember this is to replace your with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, then your is the correct spelling. For example, you're very kind. Replace it with you are. You are very kind. That still makes perfect sense, so your is correct. Let's try another one. I think you're right. Replace your with you are. I think you are right. That works too, so your is the correct spelling. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and see if you can work out the missing words. Let's check the answers. The first sentence is this your pencil? The answer is your because the pencil belongs to someone. The second sentence is you're going to love it. The answer is your because it means you are. You can even check it. You are going to love it. The sentence still makes sense. Let's quickly recap. Your, spelled Y-O-U-R, shows ownership. Your, spelled Y-O-U'-R-E, means you are. Remember this simple trick. If you can replace the word with you are, then your is the correct spelling. If the word shows ownership, use your. If you found this lesson helpful, like and subscribe to help other English learners discover our lessons. I'll see you in the next video.